Shake hands with the world's creepiest Apple Watch charging stand. By far. This is a hand sitting on the table, like in the worst hand position. This is the creepiest of all hands.
And it has stitches?
It's like it's almost like a Halloween type of vibe to it. I guess your Apple Watch charger is going to fit up in there, and you're just going to kind of slide it on the severed wrist section because it ends right at the wrist, but it's lumpy like it's been severed.
Yeah.
Oh. So this is a thing, which since Addams Family is coming back around with Wednesday, the show on Netflix.
Yeah. It's called The Thing.
Yeah, Thing is an actual character in the show, which is a hand.
Yeah.
Can you scroll through it? Looks like we got a couple different angles on the images.
I can't.
Oh, there's nothing. It's a lie?
This is a screenshot.
It's a lie, isn't it?
Yeah.
They lied to us. I thought we were going to get the other angle.
I think that's it. Here was the video.
Here we go. So the show is hot. So they do the stand. The show Wednesday is hot. And here we go. We're moving around. 3D printed thing in order to charge up your... Look, I got to put the scars on there. And people have fun with this. I just don't know how practical it is. It's like I like the object as a sort of statue, but I'm going to need to be able to get the watch on and off of there easily.
Okay, yeah.
And, sometimes, like, I got chargers near the bed or something, and I'm reaching and just not even really looking in the dark or something. And imagine I'm grabbing the hand. Oh, there's that hand there. You forget. But actually, this looks like maybe an easy on-off. You know what? Never mind. That's an easy on-off. Full credit. I'm giving 1,000% credit for this 3D printed thing charger. I don't know what he would charge for it. It's a lot of, okay, this is a lot of work. They're not selling this, are they? They're just giving you...
Well, maybe they can get you the
plans.
3D files.
They're giving you the 3D file, and you can print it, because look at
and you can personalize
going in now. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. Well, we didn't even see the fully painted version of it. That takes things to a completely different level.
It looks way better.
Wow, they got the Ultra on there, not a case on top of it. They're legit Ultra. It's very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Not bad.